Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up The Box by Fashionsta. This is a $24.99 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 full-size products. They tend to be more natural, green, cruelty-free, vegan sort of products. That's been my experience with this box. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have it right here on the screen for you, as well as the value of the item. We'll add it all up at the end to see if we're getting a good deal or not. I have been really enjoying this box. I think I've only not liked like maybe one box that I've gotten, but overall, this currently is my favorite subscription, so if you want to see what I got in here, just hang tight. We're going to open it up right now. Alright, so once you have the box opened, it looks just like this. This little card right here has the theme for the box, which is Refresh and Refocus. The back side of the card has everything we're getting, a little bit about the product, the value of the product, a lot of information about the product. So yeah, we will be referring to this. It looks like we're getting 6 items in here this month. I typically tend to get 6. I think one time we've gotten 7, one time we've gotten 5, but generally 6 is the norm. Okay, let's just start opening stuff up. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out right on top here is from LA Splash, which is cruelty-free. This is the Wickedly Divine Smudged Proof Eyeliner. There's the packaging right there. It feels kind of heavy for an eyeliner, I will say, so let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, okay. The shade I have here is called Goblet, and here's the like actual component. Very cool looking. I think most of their packaging looks like this, but if you can see down there, it's like gold. That's kind of cool. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is like actual glitter, which scares me to put on my eyes. I will go ahead and swatch it. There it is. Very cool. I like that a lot. I typically don't think I would ever purchase something like that, but this is kind of cool to have. I think it's great for the time of year, Halloween. Like this would be really good for a lot of Halloween costumes, I think. Yeah, kind of cool. The value on this is $16, which I don't think is a bad price for what this is. I mean, a lot of higher end eyeliners tend to be $16, but this one is also glitter and very different, so I don't think $16 is a bad price for this at all. All right, moving right along. Let's pull out this big thing right here. This is from BLEU, B-L-E-A-U. This is a revitalizing algae clay mask. It says tighten, renew, and restore. There's the packaging. I actually really like it a lot. Very clean and simple. I don't think I am going to use this. Clay tends to be a drying thing from what I understand, and I already have dry skin. Let me just double check real quick, because it does say hydrating, like in a different language. Hold on, let me find the English side. It says rehydrates for smooth and supple skin. Maybe I will give it a try. Clay typically, in my experience, has been a drying component, but let's see. It's very heavy. Here's the inner package. It's like, I don't know what that's made of. It's like, I don't know. It's breakable. That's all I can tell you. So there it is. If you ever used like a charcoal mask that you just wipe away, that's what they pretty much all look like. Or a clay, charcoal and clay. It smells kind of nice though. It doesn't smell like actual clay, so that's good. Different. We'll see if it hydrates my skin. I'll give it a try. The value on this is $39, which just by this heavy duty packaging alone, like I'm not surprised that it's that expensive. Yeah, excited to get that. Let me see. It is cruelty free, so that's good. It's also vegan. In fact, everything in this box is cruelty free and everything is vegan, so I don't have to keep saying whether it's cruelty free or not. I can tell you right on the card, everything's cruelty free. Let's pull out the next thing. This is something tiny. This is from Kiss and Smink, which I think I've tried maybe something from this brand. This is the Everything. Here's the packaging. Kiss and Smink, and right there it says the Everything. That was upside down, sorry. The Everything. I don't know what the Everything is. I feel like I've tried this exact thing before. I've gotten it before and passed it along because I don't think I've used it on my face. Ooh, it looks like it's had some issues in transit. Hold on. Can you see how it's like coming out of the thing? Oh yeah, it's like just came right out. Okay, so I don't know what the everything means. I feel like it's a blush, it's a lipstick, it can do it all sort of thing. Let me take a look. Okay, so it's a multi-purpose cream stick that can be used on cheeks, lips, lids, or anywhere. Really, mine is in the shade Tulum. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so it's like a shimmery pink. Not really a color I would wear probably anywhere on my face, but maybe a cream blush. I don't typically like cream blushes, but I'll give it a try. The value on this is $20. I don't think that's a good price. This is pretty small. I mean, you saw the whole thing come out in my hand there. I don't think 20 bucks is a great price for that. I don't think you get a ton of product for that, but that's just me. Okay, this next thing I have is from Sistine, which I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. This is the Herbal and Collagen Retinol Cherub Eye Mask. There it is. It's just like those little eye mask things. I don't know. I'll give it a try. The value is 10 bucks. A little overpriced, I think, for just like one mask. I don't think I would pay that. All right. Next thing I have is from Estate Cosmetics, which I have tried in the past. This is the Just a Taste Mini Pigment Palette. There's the packaging. Maybe I have tried some eyeshadows from them. I've also tried a blush, I believe. A couple things from them. Here's the inner component. Oh, this is right up my alley. These are all the colors I like. Browns and a pop of color. Actually, I don't really like the pop of color that's in here, but we'll go ahead and swatch it. Their shimmers are pretty good from what I recall in the past. Might as well just do all four of them since I can. I'm going to do it right down here. That's just a regular brown. That's not even a shimmer. I think these first two are the matte. Oh no, it's a shimmer. So it's a matte, a shimmer. This one's also a shimmer. And then another matte. So that first dark matte is pretty good. Like it's swatched pretty evenly across. The other ones are all right. It's hard to tell because that one color is pretty light. But yeah, not bad. The value on this is 14 bucks, which I think is pretty fair for a little palette like this. I don't think that's a bad price at all. All right, we have one last item, and this is from Kailyn. That's the brand. This is the Oh Wow brush. You know, I've seen lots of brushes like these, and I've never tried one, so I'm kind of curious to try this. It looks like there's one brush and one brush cap in here. Oh, it's so tiny. The box makes it look so big. Here's the little brush. I think you use it for like foundation, right? Let me double check. Get a beautiful, seamless, airbrushed effect with immaculate streak-free touch. I'm going to use this tomorrow when I do my makeup. It says you can use it to blend foundation, powder, cream, moisturizer, and primers. I do like that it's angled like that so you can get like all the areas. It's super, super soft though. Like it's firm, but it's like very soft. It's like something you just want to like rub on your face. It feels really, really cool. The value on this is $32. It feels kind of cheap for being $32 as far as like the handle and stuff. It's just like plastic. I don't think I would pay that for a singular brush, but excited to get it in this box. All right, so that's everything we got in this month's box. The total value of everything in here is $131, which I think is a pretty good value when you're only paying like 25 bucks for everything in here. I'm most excited for this weird brush. I've never tried anything like this. I think I'm also excited for, surprisingly, this gold eyeliner. Like these are the things I'm most excited for. And this thing alone is valued at more than what I paid for the box. So that's always good. Everything else is just sort of a bonus. I am also excited to try the eyeshadow palette. The only things I'm not really excited for are this, the Everything from Kiss and Smink, and I'm a little bit iffy about the face mask just because I don't want it to dry my skin out. I will try everything in this box, so it's a success overall. But now it's time to let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Let me know if you get the subscription and if you enjoyed what you got, and if you don't get the subscription, let me know what you thought of my box. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.